In obedience to Mr. Speaker, I have kept my silence until the committee finished its work and has brought its report. My basic understanding of the proceedings of this House is that that report was to be debated by this House, and then we will vote on the report. Mr. Speaker, the report was presented. I listened to the minority leader comment. I listened to the majority leader comment. I don't know whether what I heard was a debate. And I rose up before you put the question, but I did not catch your eye. And I rose up for one reason. A similar incident occurred on the day the first deputy speaker first made a complaint. I didn't rise up. And not rising up to question it today has been used as further evidence against me that I'm lying. Not rising up has been used.
Order. Honorable Ayarela, I will respectfully advise you at this stage that in our typical court situation, those who wish to apologize, withdraw, and be shown mercy will show remorse to begin. I will therefore advise you to advisedly pursue a more circumspect approach. You may continue.
You set it up to find facts and report the facts to you. Does it have the power to come to conclusions on matters of contempt which are clearly spelled out in Order 30, 31, and 32? Facts, not to conclude on contempt, because the issues of contempt are clearly defined in the standing orders. And so that is the first thing that I just wanted to advert your mind to, whether the committee can make findings and come to a conclusion that the provisions of contempt have been violated. That's the first question. Mr. Speaker, the second question is, they use criminal standards determining the burden of proof. Mr. Speaker, if you conclude that you want to use the criminal standard, then you might as well have, during the proceedings, used the criminal process. What is the criminal process? If you call a witness in any criminal trial, he should also cross-examine the other side, so that you can come to the conclusion that will enable you to exact criminal sanctions. You didn't do that. Mr. Speaker, if you say I should apologize, I apologize.
They come with that. We have a proper discussion on this one.
Hayariga had the point to some extent. He had the point. He had a case. So, by criminal, they are Maquina and cross.
So, our tweet, let's not all go by the headlines in the papers based on what has transpired in Parliament. Then, because I don't think.
But we all knew that was the conclusion we'll get to. And I'm sure he knew it.
Well, but what can I say?
But the fact of the matter is also go for evidence hard one.
March. Boko dear.
You what yes.
You're more homodene can cast an incosi. Bibia de Danaquem. Oh, I will can see one semi year.
Oh, yeah.
Who beats me, Monia, may I call World Cup in the two Bibia
capacity. Some catch out that.
It is so the form.
Impossibility cannot be possible. See, I been quite bad. If you money.
Ufa money, I don't mean to cry. I find a crack, you can't. You want to crack. What's the money?
Only I went here for young guy, you know,
it didn't offer for me.
As I say, you go super coaching by close of day. Now, you should say, coaches are paying for episode interview, maybe cry. I don't know your more free side. I am for Kosiapia. Oh, so Kosiapia count, shortlisted coaches, 3 count. Nti omeyetre kwasiapia na abrofo no omso omu disclose omu
na mo so mu yankonya wa afi wo baba obi a waba no mu indisclose
o pedwuma se nkofo bebre o be pedwuma se yeni
na kwasiapia
o pedwuma se yeni se o pedwuma
na kwasiapia do baba
kwasiapia se yeni pa
aza do so ba no mo se mo
yeni pa se o ba Ghana ibe hu se ne nti a waba no nti monitor from airport ya de ya na ya o dia se
it was spice airport o yira it boni we se o de o se coach pa
boni Time back we no radio and say hey we as a Ghana coach for now. It is na akwakoye.
Obo humu e be my da be.
Ebia by close of dey ne dey na ye hu coaches a. Interview dem ye nkwa dey say unse kasa nipa mienu aka dey dey wa bonten.
But the fact say I'm focusing up on mo na mo practical work no. Mo susu say sa bre wo mi bibini Ghana coach no. E dey be ko ba bi
ase. Ene dey na me doubt kakra. Because game no me see yendu hosae but enya ebia te say unsa white coaches ne ba bonso wafa black assistant but me hu ne assistant coaches no o masua over the years I bet me dia boma ne matua kwedi ma enya sa blend na ebetua sa boa unsa ya na ukọ friends Europe so a u share white coaches ne so black coach a you can just imagine racism ne ehun hyehyɛ bebre na wo ho untimi penetrate on me pa che no nti important say ebetua white and black on between some bomb and some but as whether say offer coach be no eboni a obeka Stella na bia yemfa black be man as an assistant no so another problem you know yenhwe ne betia akosi but na me yakaka ne say unse James akosi apia na problem be any ho ono na nanu yakọ share Egypt this one wo hwe se ne ye bo qualifies their World Cup in the history of Ghana na been see that whether say but paying for transfer ko say omo ne ball matches ne de man no e wo sa kan see nim and they wo papa nkunsan eni unse obisa say World Cup 170 say e be qualify na say qualify bed ni e dey man wo say na ne masi koso na ye call Brazil 2014 by ne pe ana mo de manu tu mu twema no ten asofia na mo so papa ne do su control or dress room nti en woni kunsan ene no a obi ade na ni so mu ana mo say enti commission
Jefax Adaroma ye kwa ba
commission adwuma ne nya adwuma ba say da okuma na egusotia na ye san twa kontomwa asa de ana commission de adwuma san kwasi apia nkenu kwan so be coach
Yankombra Jefax Adaroma Yankombra ye kwa ba